What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to unclog a bathroom sink with a plunger. First thing you want to do is don't buy this stuff. Just don't. It never works. This tenant just moved out. Drano in the bathroom, bathtub's clogged, bathroom sink's clogged. I'm going to show you how to take care of this with a plunger fast. Remove the pop-up assembly. Sometimes the tops will come right off. Sometimes you gotta go below and remove them from down below. Do not try and remove the sink stopper with water still in the sink. We have our plunger and we have a overflow right here. We have to block this overflow off. I usually just stuff a rag in it, get it nice and tight, and just plunge.